How do you control your production quality? Production lines are fast and complex, personnel are hard to find, and customer expectations are rising. Take advantage of computer vision technology and AI to automate your quality control. Our product quality inspector achieves high accuracy even in challenging conditions. Quality Inspector can easily be tailored to your needs to detect and count objects, read labels, segment and classify products, or find defects, even if they're too small for human visual inspection. The product is compatible with high-precision cameras, and it can be deployed on Atos Edge computers to provide lightning-fast performance. Would you like to know if you can automate your quality control? Let us do a demo for you, where we use our pre-trained deep learning models to show you a quick demonstration of exactly what's possible.